In this episode of State of the Laundry Industry, I'm going to show you how it's possible to increase your gross revenue by $3,000 with just $1 in marketing. At our Laundromat Super Suds, every week we get prospective customers. What are prospective customers? They're the folks who create online accounts but don't actually place an order. So at Super Suds, we had 11 people who created an account online but never placed their order. How many times does that happen at your laundromat or at your laundry pickup and delivery service? People are creating accounts all the time, and sometimes they need just a little nudge to get them to place an order and become regular customers who order again and again. 11 people who probably would never have placed an order, but because we were able to set up marketing campaigns inside our Curbside Laundry's software, we're able to send out a message just like that. It costs less than $1 to reach these 11 people. Keep in mind, they already went to our website, they already created an account, they just needed a little nudge to place an order. So we sent out a message that says, "Hello, haven't placed a Super Suds wash and fold order yet? Schedule a pickup at supersuds.com and save $15 with a promo code for you to try." Now, out of those 11 text messages that we sent out for, again, less than $1, 2 of them wound up placing orders for a total of $150. So we just transformed $1 into $150. Not too bad. But the story continues. Out of those 2 customers, one of them wound up placing 3 orders within 30 days. This is the type of customer that I talked about in the last episode called the whale. Those 3 orders within 30 days came out to $260. That means if this customer continues placing orders, which so far they are, they're going to wind up spending over $3,100 at our laundromat in just 1 year. And this all goes back to spending $1 in marketing at the right place at the right time. And because of the Curbside Laundry software, we were easily able to reach out to them and help them along the sales funnel. Keep in mind, the prospective customers are the hardest customers to convert because by definition, they haven't spent any money with you yet. But you do need to reach out to them because if you don't give them a nudge, you're leaving money on the table. So as a laundry pickup and delivery business owner, you need to look at the entire sales funnel, from visiting the website to being a prospective customer to a first-time customer. And at the Curbside Laundry's conference coming up June 26th to 28th, we're going to be going through the entire sales funnel in depth and talk about proven strategies to help your customers go from one-time transactions to regular customers. This business is about retention. It's about the whales. It's about getting people to order again and again. And spending money in marketing at the right time and the right place is key to providing you with recurring revenue. So I hope to see you at the Curbside Conference because every single person who attends is going to learn something that's going to help their business. You need to invest in yourself to help your business grow. Our goal with the Curbside Conference is to provide you with a concrete action plans to help you grow your business. We have an amazing caliber of speakers, and most importantly is the networking with other laundry owners like yourself. One thing to ask yourself is how much money are you leaving on the table because you're not helping your clients along the sales funnel? Which part of the sales funnel are your clients getting stuck on? If you're able to smooth out and remove the friction from the sales funnel, you're going to have more lifelong customers. You're going to have more recurring revenue. If you learned something, please click like and subscribe. Also, if you'd like to learn more about our wash and fold and point of sale pickup and delivery solution, go to curbsidelaundries.com.